right away. It just double beeped. Oh, was that yours?
You're good.
Okay. You're good too. Boys, we're north of 7. We're going for a rip. We got a good little squad out here. Check that out. 3 side-by-sides and an X3. They're ready. They're ready. That is the sign, they say. Let's get out of the old 4-wheel peel. We ain't gonna need that. Dun-ta-da. Boy, she takes her time coming out. Come on.
By BayMarine Canvas and Upholstery. There's a shot.
I don't know what the f is up
If you
with
guys
that.
are interested, check him out. He does nice work.
I want you out of 4-wheel drive.
All right. Let's not break anything today.
Come on. Not cool. She won't come out at 4.
Hey,
It won't come out.
is it,
You prick. Come on.
well, that's unfortunate. You know, the grease they put in these things right here, in your 4-wheel drive switch, I think they got contaminated with a little bit of water and caused an issue. I just cleaned all the grease out, put my own stuff in.
Garbage.
Maybe it's just the grease they use, like I said, it gets mixed with water and maybe causes an issue, right?
That's bullshit. I'm gonna be stuck in 4-wheel drive all day.
Well, we'll see what happens. Maybe you get running, a little vibration.
Let's hope.
Right.
That's bullshit. There we go. It's good. Finally came out, boys. Seized up or something. Didn't like it. Off we go to another adventure. SD card errors last time I tried to use this GoPro, so I'm really hoping we don't have to deal with that today. Might keep you guys in the loop. Yeah, we're gonna see a bunch of snow still, boys. Not quite matching our excitement level, boys. We're dying for the mud. Well, we haven't barely gone 2 kilometers, and I can tell you these waders are comfy. Man, oh man. Couple weeks gone by and I can tell my shoulders aren't used to carrying a backpack. We'll get there. We'll lighten her as the day goes on, if you boys know what I mean. I'm gonna stick that one in you. Our good friend Elemental couldn't make it out for this rip, boys. We got the old ham and turkey dinner today for Easter. This is our little Easter ride. Nice to see some side-by-sides out today, sharing in the fun. I'm going to try to keep it to some friendly trails. Hopefully nobody has any problems, although we will get into some tighter areas, so we'll find out. We'll make it work. Ouch! Ouch! Sorry, boys.
You're going to want 4-wheel for that one.
off the beast. I almost forgot just how much fun it is to ride this thing. We're good. Yeah, it came out.
Just needed a little bit of vibration. Sometimes a little vibration will fix everything, right? We're good.
Good vibrations, I guess.
Good vibration. That's right.
Into a Donald we go, boys and girls. We're gonna take a rip down to the dam. Might as well just make sure everybody's here. Yeah, why wouldn't you? Oh, what's going on here? Picking up another rider.
Oh, I gotta turn the brightness up here, folks. Gotta wait, Jim.
Huh?
I gotta turn the brightness up. That's a bit much right there, isn't it?
Gordy, you decided to join us, did you, buddy?
Happy lighting.
Yeah, I need. Where should I put my GoPro?
Fuck, you know something.
I got a whole bunch of other mounts, but
Fuck, I ain't gonna lie, you know, the best place is under that fucking peak.
I know.
Richard does really well with the sound on his there, too. Fuck, I didn't think about that. I don't know if you get the clearance with the camera,
No, I
though.
wouldn't.
No, probably not.
I'm gonna have to put it on the side.
Yeah, I think so, Gord.
Yeah.
We'll take a little breather here.
What are you doing?
Where should I put my GoPro mount?
I don't know. Probably on top for now.
Yeah.
Because I mean, it's the easiest spot right there.
Sounds good.
Because this here, if you want to do it here and bring it up closer, you're going to have to mess with it and get a lot more connectors.
Yeah.
I just slam it right on there, buddy.
Sounds good.
We see Grant's throwing on a set of sledgehammers there. Where are they, 28s? What size did you go with, Grant? 30s. The 30s, yeah, right on. It's giving them a little more clearance, eh, boys? As you can see, this machine is going to have a much easier time than that machine in the tight trails, that's for sure. But that thing rips. Look at that, boys. I think Justin likes his new purchase. Hey, did you get rid of the Outlander? Did you trade the Outlander in?
No, I still got it.
Attaboy, right on. Yeah, he's got an Outlander 1000 with a 6-inch Super ATV lift. She's a beast. You boys have seen her in the videos before. If not, go back and check her out. Lots of footage of that. Got lots of boys out here today. This is great. Tommy's back out. Tommy Throttle.
Yeah, but it still has its 31 for a 31-inch.
Right on. A couple side-by-sides. Love it. Good times, boys. So we'll get right back to you here. We're about to head out.
Imagine the Renegade on 26s. That's what this thing feels like on 31s.
Yeah, no shit, eh?
Yeah.
So what you're going to get, 36?
35s.
35s will do it. That'll juice it up a notch.
He's ready to rock, boys. Let's get some shots of the lads behind us.
That looks nice. Very nice. Not intentional for sure.
We're gonna rip on down to the dam, boys, and check out the flowage. Maybe get a couple nice pictures of the ride. Get everybody situated. It'll be our first stop, I think. We keep splitting off, splitting off, splitting off. we didn't go the right way. Right on, boys. We're at the dam. We're at the dam, boys. Let's try to get a shot of the rest of them coming in. Ah, yeah, the dude can't wait, eh? Can't wait. Listen to that thing, boys. Listen to that thing. Woo! Can-Am fever, boys. Right on. We'll let the rest of these boys show up. We'll be right back. Here comes Nos Boss.
We should line them up right there in front of the water, get a nice little picture for the boys, hey? Say it'd be nice to line them all up right there and get a picture. Hey? Back them up, we'll get a picture of the water with all the bikes today. Oh, Joe went and left a big old gap there. I don't know why, but he did. Oh, yeah, that's how you do her, boys. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Maybe, Joe, if you can't fit there, you can just move over a notch. Maybe you'll fit in there, though. Lots of snow on the trail, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that, looking good.